Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I really do appreciate it so very much. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus as well as my BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe. Like, it's huge. To compare them next to each other, this is what they look like. So quite a bit of difference in size between those two. Also, I do have a giveaway going on, so make sure that you look for that. It will be in my playlists. So, opening up Ipsy, I've already slit them open so they would be easy to open. This is what it looks like this month. And you do get this little booklet that tells you the value of everything in here. And this retails, it's $25 a month. The first thing in here is from Smith & Colt Book of Eyes Eye Quad Palette. I have never heard of Smith & Colt. I'm not sure where they're from or anything, but let's look at what it looks like inside. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's very reflective. Oh, that's cute. It does have one of those sponge tip applicators in there. And then that is what the eyeshadows look like. So they're really pretty colors. Let's swatch a couple. Actually, I think we can swatch all of them because there are only 4. Ooh, those went on actually pretty nicely. The sparkly one is right here, and the highlight color is pretty light, but that's okay because that is actually a good thing for when you're as light as I am. So, oh, sorry. According to this, that retails for $44, which seems a lot for a company I've never heard of for a quad. But the next thing in here is from Lancome. It is a Le Monochromatique in the shade Haute Couture, it looks like. And this is what it looks like. Ooh. That is really pretty. I like that color. Let's see what this retails for or what it's supposed to be used for as I'm seeing everything. This retails for $25. You can use it on your eyes, lips, or cheeks. Ooh, it is a really interesting texture. It looks like it's a cream. It's a cream to powder, sorry. It's really interesting. That is what it looks like swatched. It's really pretty. I'm going to be interested in trying this out because I don't have anything like this in my collection at all. So that's really exciting. Next thing in here is from 111 Skin, which is from London. And this is a vitamin C brightening booster. And I love vitamin C serum, so this sounds awesome. That is what it looks like. It retails for, it's 20 milliliters, and it retails for $180. Whoa. So this one you're supposed to mix in with your moisturizer, or you could put it straight onto your skin. But $180 for that little thing, that seems a little insane. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I would not pay $180 for that. Next in here is from Estee Lauder. This is the Pure Color Envy in the shade Jealous. And this retails for $32 according to the little booklet. Ooh, that's a pretty color. Let's swatch that. I like that. So that's a really nice color. I don't know if it's really the most holiday color because it is pretty bright. But yeah, I like that. This, the packaging is really nice. It feels really heavy. It has a magnetic closure. So that's always nice. Let's see. One last thing in here are the brushes from Farrah. And these retail for $40 according to this. I haven't heard of Farrah brushes before, so I'm not really sure about them. There are 3. This looks to be I would use this as like a highlight maybe. Then we have a stippling brush and like a blush brush. They feel nice. They have metal here, but these handles do feel like plastic because they don't feel the same. But they feel pretty soft. Yeah, I think those are pretty nice. I'm not a big fan of stippling brushes, so I probably actually will pass that one along right away. But yeah, I think those are pretty nice. And then it looks like we have one more thing in there as the box just wants to fall to the floor. And we have our Ipsy Glam bag. I thought we were supposed to get this once every 3 months. I guess this is the 3rd month. I thought it would be next month though for some reason. And it's one of those ones where you can change the sequins. So you can have silver or blue. They seem to want to lie better with the blue, but that's kind of interesting. Definitely not something, oh, and it has a little paper in it. Not something that I've had before. So I think this was a good box for $25. The vitamin C serum is really good. I would not pay full price for that. That is for sure. I like the lipstick color. I'm thinking those eyeshadows are going to be pretty. And I like this thing from Lancome, whatever it is. And then brushes. Brushes are always awesome. So I'm pretty impressed this month. I'm liking Ipsy. Let's see what BoxyLuxe is. This is my first time I've gotten BoxyLuxe. I have not gotten it before because it was a little, I wasn't impressed with the spoilers for the first one. And then the way that they did it where you had to get up, and I was not about to get up. I think I would have had to order it at like 6 in the morning or something because the time zones and everything was not planned out well. I have checked everything in here because it did arrive when I was gone, so I wanted to make sure everything was good and check it really fast. So I do know what's in here. I did get variation 1, which I think I'm happy with. The first thing in here is from Pretty Vulgar. This is a translucent setting powder, and it comes with a little cute puff in there. I have not tried it yet. I haven't not tried anything. I just made sure everything was not broken. So I'm excited about that. I have loved the packaging on Pretty Vulgar. Ever since it came out, I've been interested in it. So I'm glad to have another product thanks to BoxyCharm. Next in here is, oh, and that retails for $32. Next is from Elemis. This is a Pro Collagen Marine Cream, Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. And this retails for $89. Again, this really expensive skincare. Like, I like my expensive skincare, but I have not spent anything that much for like a cream or a vitamin C. So that is what it looks like. It's a really thick cream. Oh my gosh, it's getting everywhere. That was not a good idea. I still, in case you have been watching, I still don't have full range of motion and everything back in my right arm. My thumb has been like numb for several weeks now. I've been going to physical therapy and trying to work on it, so it's just something is pinched somewhere, and I can move it and I can do things. It hurts. Typing is still like, I can't type and I can't use the mouse on my right hand, so I've been using my left hand, and it's been difficult. I will fully admit it's been difficult, but I don't have all of my fine motor skills, obviously, because I just butchered that poor marine cream. Next in here is from Tarte. This is a Tartiste Shimmering Lip Paint, and it is in the shade Insta Famous, and it looks like this retails for $20. Ooh, that is so pretty. I really am liking that color. Let's see if I can get it open. There we go. So, I don't even know if you're going to be able to see this on camera. It's really pretty. It has an interesting scent. It's kind of pepperminty, but not like a chocolatey peppermint. But it's really glossy. I think this will be a nice lip topper. Next in here is from Spongel, and it's Blossom Bliss. It's It's one of those sponges that have the stuff already in them. I have so many of these and I have never used any of them. They just kind of sit there because I've been trying to use up all of my body washes that I already have. So that's going to go in the pile of things that I need to do. It smells pretty good. It's not overwhelming, which is good. And that retails for $20. Next in here is from Grande. It is a lash boosting mascara. And I have had some of the other stuff from Grande. I haven't tried a mascara yet, I don't think. Or maybe I did. I need to go back and look at my empties because I might have tried this already. This retails for $25. I think I might have had a little one of it. If so, I will pass it along. And then next is this little bag, which I probably would not use as a clutch just because that's not me. And in here is, this retails for $22. It's a little portable charger, and it has like all the directions and stuff. And I have heard, because I saw this on somebody, that some of these aren't working, so I need to test that out to see if it's working and contact, they told us to contact the manufacturer, which is weird. It seems a little shady, like BoxyCharm, you sold them, so you should be the one, but we'll see. We'll see. Next is from Suave Beauty. This is the Protégé palette. I did request this instead of a straightener because this is my hair. My hair is naturally straight, and a straightener is just a mini straightener, especially with the length of my hair. It would not have been useful whatsoever. So this does have a mirror on it, and this retails for $34. I haven't. This is funny because before this month, I don't think I've heard of Suave Beauty. I'm swatching this highlighter and the top row. And this is the second box that I got something from them in it, which is really just interesting to me. So the matte swatched really good, as did the two shimmers. The satiny one, not as much, but this aesthetic seems really rough. It was a rough formula when I stuck my finger in it. So I'm not sure. We'll see how it performs on the eyes. I love experimenting with different palettes and stuff. The one that I'm wearing today is actually the Grinch palette from Pure. So yeah, I experiment all the time. Next in here is from Violet Voss. This is the HG palette. This is honestly the reason why I decided to get BoxyLuxe when they put out the spoiler, and I was like, yeah, I'll get it, because I know that I love my other two Violet Voss palettes that I have, and then I ordered another one too. So this is what it looks like. This formula is just so good, and look at the colors. They are so like right up my alley. I'm so excited about this palette. We're going to swatch some of them. Cranberry Splash. Oh, that feels so pretty. They just feel so nice on the skin. We're just going to, you know what? I'm just going to swatch this one row. So this second row right here, that is what I swatched. All right, there they are. I am impressed. Like, I knew I was going to be impressed. I knew I was going to be really happy with this. This retails for $45. So this box is $49.99 every 3 months. So you get your regular Ipsy for 2 months, and then the third month they charge you an additional $28.99. And so you can decide if you want it or not, and I'm really happy I got it. I've got to tell you. Last thing in here is a set of Luxe brushes. I love Luxe brushes. I have quite a few Luxe brushes. Let's see what we have in here. So much packaging. So it looks like we have a good like foundation brush and a powder brush. I think I have at least 2 more of these already. This one looks like really good. I would be interested in putting powder on with this one. Let's see, what does it say? Round top blender. And then we got a couple of nice eye brushes, like the liner and the spoolie I probably will pass on. And then it looks like we have a lip brush, which is really exciting. Yes, a lip brush. I could really use some more lip brushes. I have a couple lip palettes, and I'm always trying to find a clean brush for them. Just ignore the noise of my pile of trash. So I'm excited about those. I think this was a good deal. We got these brushes. This retails for, should tell you, $65 for the set. You have 8 brushes. Pretty nice. $89 for this cream. I'm interested in trying it. I mean, I'm going to try it. This palette, the Sueva Beauty palette, retails for $34. That seems a little much, but I don't know much about Sueva Beauty. The sponge for $20. Like I said, that's going to be the last thing I use. This made the whole box for me, like this with the Pretty Vulgar powder. That's what we would pay anyway. And then, of course, our last 3 things. This is okay. I'm not exactly excited about that, but I could pass it along. I might have some friends who might want it. Mascara and this lip gloss, they both seem like good formulas. I'm not mad at them for sending those. I'm impressed with both Ipsy and BoxyLuxe this month. Let me know what your thoughts were on these. Did you get either of these? What did you get? Did you get the same variation that I did, or did you get something else? I would love to know. I will be responding to comments just as soon as I can start typing again. Like I said, right now when I type, it just burns all the way down my arm into my, like, these muscles here and my bicep. And then I'm in pain. So I'm trying not to type. I'm trying to stay off the computer as much as possible while still uploading and trying to get all of this done. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really do appreciate it so very much. If you've not watched my holiday giveaway video, make sure you go look for that. And I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.